Thanks to technology, the world is changing. So also is the education. In this video, we shall be taking you through process of how to prepare lectures in video format.
To get started, you need to use a good camera. You can either use a digital camera or a smart mobile phone that has not less than 13 megapixel camera quality. Please ensure to use a good brand. Next, you need a tripod stand. Either you use a standard tripod stand or you use a table tripod stand. Next, we advise you have a whiteboard available for illustrations during your lectures. Next, we advise the room you are going to use for the recording should be properly lit, so you need good lighting. You can either open your windows to ensure that enough natural light enters, or you can use an LED light. The LED light can either be a ring light or a standard one. The ring light is of added advantage because it comes with a phone clip for your mobile device. Next, we advise that you have a dedicated device for recording your audio. This will ensure that the audio for the video recording is very clean and your communication will pass smoothly across to your listener.
That's right. Have your lectures planned out ready. And of course, also you must ensure that you have all your illustration materials as well easily accessible and ready for use. Ensure also that you are precise in the delivery of your lecture. And the last one would be for you to ensure that for easy understanding, you sectionalize your lectures.
Now, after doing all of this, we advise that you share your video with the communication unit of the University of Lagos. Please send your video in a dedicated flash drive to the communication unit's 7th floor Senate House. Also, include one paragraph description of the video that you are sharing with us so we can properly label it on the university's YouTube channel.
In addition, ensure that your video does not exceed a period of 15 minutes. For topics that cannot be exhausted in 15 minutes, we suggest that such topics be taken in episodes of 15 minutes each.
We look forward to receiving your videos at the communication unit. Thank you very much for